I will be showing you on how to make videos with pictures and music on Instagram. First of all, swipe right, then choose a picture of your liking. I'll be choosing this black blank one. After that, swipe up and choose the photo option below. You can choose any picture of your choice. After that, you can also crop it in the shape you want. You can also add various pictures like this and then crop it again. I will be making the pictures align more or put it in a shape that I'm satisfied with. Now you can choose the music option on there and then choose any music that you want. As you can see, there are options of lyrics with various fonts. There is also option without the fonts like these ones. But for now, I'll be choosing the one with the lyrics and place it wherever you want. After this, you can just click on the arrow below and then you can share it to your story and also save it on your phone.